Hi, this is Keith with LVJ Motorsports. Today I want to show you a new relay panel that I have. This is my little fuse relay box. This stainless steel bracket mounts to the battery compartment in either the Gen 1 or Gen 2 trucks. I have a 100 amp fuse here mounted to it. I have this set up as a mock-up so we can talk about the interesting thing that I've done. One of the things that I like to do is I want to be able to turn on all my forward-facing lights with just the high beams. So what I've done is, this is the power lead connected, this is the ground lead, these are the trigger switches that go to the existing aux switches, and then these red wires here are the outlets to each of the lights that you would have. So what I've done is, when I want to turn on a light, white is number one light, number 2 is red, and number 3 is the yellow, and number 4 is the gray one here. So the way I've mocked this up is 1 is a forward light, 2 is a forward light, 3 is a forward light, but 4 is a rear amber. What I've done is I've put diodes in here, and this is diode 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you don't have 6 relays. What happens is the number 6 switch in the panel controls whether the high beams engage or disengage it. So right now, if I were to just turn the light on, I'd get 1, 2, 3, or 4. But when I use the trigger switch and I engage the number 6 wire, what it does is it tells all the relays that when I hit the high beam light, everything comes on at once, whether the switch is on or off. Well, that's a problem though for a rear amber. So by simply removing the diode, let's see, that's aux 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. By simply removing that diode, I now, when I turn the high beams on, only the forward-facing lights come on and not the rear ones. But if I want to turn on the number 4 light, that was the gray one, I can still turn it on with just the regular aux switches. So when I turn off the number 6 switch, they all go off. So now if you were to have just, let's say, the 1 light on, aux 1, and then you turned on the high beam switch, when they came on, all the rest of them would come on and off. So it's pretty unique. If you want the relay back in, all you do is drop the diode back in. So that's the way it works. And in this particular case, when I hit the high beams, all the lights come back on. So I can set that up any way I like. I can make it so that the number 1 light does not come on with the high beams by just removing that diode. So that's how I turn 1 on. But now when I turn on the high beams, they all come on like that. So, and then this is the high beam connector. So that's getting voltage from the high beams. So let me know what you think. I'll put it up on my my website, lvjmotorsports.com, here in the next few days. I've got this unit going out to a person in California who's going to test it, beta test it for me. But I'll have it available in the next few days. Thank you.